Introducing the Raymond Basics Sprint 2.0, the new generation in our proven line of elevated drivable work platforms. Like the original Sprint, the Sprint 2.0 offers a more efficient and productive alternative to bulky rolling ladders in a variety of environments and applications. And it includes features focused on user comfort and convenience and round-the-clock efficiency. Still compact and highly maneuverable, the Sprint 2.0 features a padded operator platform for operator comfort. And increased ground clearance ensures top performance over thresholds and uneven surfaces. The Sprint 2.0 is configurable to match your specific needs, with available guide rollers for both easier travel and minimized impacts in rail-guided aisles, LED lights for better visibility and efficiency in low-light applications, and an enclosed load tray attachment to effectively handle your items. All the legacy features that make the Sprint an industry standout are there. Simple push-button adjustment of the operator platform while the operator is on board. A sturdy load deck plus easy control of the powered materials tray. A maintenance-free hydraulic mast with no chains or wearable parts requiring no greasing. And easy access to the batteries and other components with snap-in-place covers. A convenient charge port with easy-to-read status indicator lights makes charging simple. Whether you're stocking shelves, picking orders, or performing essential maintenance, the Sprint 2.0 is today's efficient drivable solution for virtually any application. The Sprint 2.0 helps you get the most out of your operation every day.